Okay, welcome back student. Reactivity series of metals. The arrangement of metals in a vertical column in the order of decreasing order. And represent, see, reactivity is called the reactivity series of metals. See, reactivity series of metals we are learning. Reactivity series of metals. Okay, see here also metals is there. Okay, reactivity series of metals. See, we have to write the so many elements is a highly reactivity. So many elements is a low reactivity. Some elements not react. Not react. See, metals not react. For example, we have to see the sodium. See this potassium. Potassium is a highly reactivity. Next, sodium, calcium. Next, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, magnesium, aluminium, zinc. Next, we have to see the ferrous and lead. Ferrous, lead. Next, we have to see the copper, silver, gold. See copper, silver and gold. See this like elements, metals is there. See this like potassium is a highly reactive, most reactive metal. Most reactive metal. See this is a most reactive metal. Most reactive metals. See if we coming to the towards the down, what will happen? Least reactive metals. See this like we have to see the gold and silver. Least reactive metals. Least reactive metals. And decreasing chemical reactivity. Decreasing chemical reactivity. Okay. What will happen? Potassium is a most reactive metals. And if we are coming to the downwards or decreasing level, what will happen? The metals is a least reactive metals. See that's why we have to see the specially so many members is a using to wearing the see this gold and silver ornament. See this is a not reacting with any air, water, acid, base. See that's why the gold and silver for we are calling the noble metals, noble elements. Okay, next we have to see the displacement reactions also is there. See here, next one is a displacement reaction. Okay, displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. What is displacement reaction? The more reactive metal displace on a less reactive metal. More reactive metal see displace on less reactive metals. See most reactive metal is a displace on the less reactive metals. See, for example, we have to see the reaction of ferrous metal with copper sulfate solution. See, A1. Reactions of ferrous metal. See, displace on. See, metal with copper sulfate solution. Metal with copper sulfate solution. Okay. See, we have to see the here. We have to take the in beaker. See, this is a beaker. Okay. In this beaker, we have to prepare the copper sulfate solution. Which solution? Copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate, CuSO4, in your book also given. Okay. ये copper sulfate solution में अपन क्या डालना है? Clean and shiny iron nails. Ferrous nails. What will happen here? If you add to the, see this nails, iron nails is a displace of the sulfate solution. Sulfate solution this like. Okay. See iron के ऊपर ये sulfate solution displace होता है. See we have to see the reaction. Copper sulfate react with ferrous and here forming the FeSO4 plus C. See इससे पहले स्काई ब्लू कलर था, बाद में वो ग्रीन कलर में चेंज होता है. ग्रीन कलर में चेंज होता है. See what said? Blue solution. See this one is a blue solution is there. And this is a gray color is there. And here is a forming the brownish. Here is a forming the brown color. And copper is a form the red. So it is a red brown. See this like forming. Next, a less reactive metal. See cannot displace more reactive metals. That's why ferrous sulfate. See ferrous sulfate. See इससे कोई रिएक्शन ही नहीं होता है. रिएक्शन होता है क्या? कॉपर सल्फेट प्लस फेरस. सी दिस वन कॉपर सल्फेट प्लस फेरस. There is no reaction. There is no reactions. Okay. Next, second one, B1. Reaction of zinc metal with copper sulfate solution. Reactions of, see this second one. Reactions of zinc metal with copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution. See here we have to take the copper sulfate plus zinc. See here forming the zinc sulfate plus copper. Zinc sulfate plus copper. Okay. Copper sulfate is a blue color is there. Zinc is a which color? Silvery color is there. Silvery color. See, अपना स्कूल ओपन हुए तो ये सभी एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे. Okay, is there in our lab. See here is a zinc sulfate is a colorless. See, colorless. Colorless is there. See this line. Next reaction of zinc metal is iron. reaction of zinc metal with iron. See, reactions of zinc metal with iron. See, reaction of zinc metal with iron. See, we have to see the here also ferrous plus zinc. FeSO4 plus zinc. See what will happen? See, it is a zinc sulfate and ferrous. See here forming the zinc sulfate plus ferrous. Okay. See, ferrous sulfate, which in color is a greenish color and silver. See, this is one greenish color and it is a silvery color, and zinc sulfate is form the colorless solution. See, zinc sulfate is a colorless solution and ferrous is a grey color. See, next zinc sulfate plus ferrous. Next zinc sulfate plus ferrous. Which color is it forming? It is a no displacement reaction. No displacement reactions. There is no reactions. Okay, this like displacement reactions is there. Okay.